Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer USDC from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets smoothly between wallets, especially with the latest updates making things even more secure and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring USDC like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Phantom wallet and Coinbase wallet apps installed and updated to the latest 2025 versions. This ensures compatibility and keeps your funds safe. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to your USDC balance. Double-check that you have enough USDC to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't free. Next, switch over to your Coinbase wallet. Go to the Receive section and copy your USDC wallet address. This is crucial because you'll need this exact address for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, head back to Phantom wallet. Select your USDC asset, tap on Send or Transfer, and paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, review the transaction details like fees and estimated time, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this with your wallet's security features, such as biometric authentication or a PIN. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly on the blockchain, usually within a few minutes. After it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to confirm the USDC has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto transfers to protect your assets from scams. If you run into any issues, double-check network selections or reach out to wallet support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.